Yo,
what's up, YouTube?
It's going to be a pretty exciting episode today. If you know what I got in my hand, then you know what's coming.
Yes.
But for those who do not, I'll let Emily explain what we got going on.
So we got the Hellcat Airbox.
Yes.
And since our Challenger has like the headlight inlet air things, this kind of allows the air to go actually into the airbox.
Boom, just like that.
And yeah, it kind of brings more air and stuff in, and it's not just like a useless hole in our headlight.
Along with that, we have the stock airbox in there with the air filter. This air filter allows for a lot more flow, just giving a lot more air to the engine. So obviously that's a good thing. So yeah, I'm excited. It's gonna be an actual performance mod. We got something in store coming up soon too as well, but this is the first part of it. So with that, we're probably gonna get started with washing the car because I don't know.
It's a little
dirty.
dusty.
A little dusty, yeah. So we'll start with that, and then we'll bring it over and talk about the steps of what we got to do next. All right, so it was only 3 of these bolts with the Phillips, I think, screwdriver, and then an 8mm bolt right here. So let's go ahead and just unscrew these. We had already unscrewed them. This isn't how it came.
It's not that easy. It takes a little longer than that.
Yeah.
Yeah, flathead on that little piece.
All right, so this is the inside headlight, and you're gonna want to remove this screw right here. Funny how the outside one don't have one, but this inside one, it has one on this side and also on this side as well. So you're gonna want to make sure you get both of those.
It might just be newer ones as well. I don't think the older ones have the screws on it.
Yeah, but oh well.
Okay, so we got this little black cover off. Oh. Now you can see it's open. You can see all the way through it. You can see inside. Bada bing, bada boom. Now we gotta put this new one on.
Yep, should be pretty simple.
And then this old top goes on top of this. So we just got like the Hellcat bottom, if that makes sense. Okay, so there's a big tornado coming, or I don't know, a storm. Hear the tornado siren? But we're almost done, so we're trying to hurry up. Put that little piece on. That attaches it
just
to
put it where you take the cap off, just slide it back on.
And
slide the airbox on.
What's up, guys?
So it's been a few days after that whole little storm incident. Thankfully, nothing crazy happened over here.
Not over here, yeah. There was tornadoes a little close, but not here.
Yeah, so, I mean, everything went pretty smooth after that. I did have to cut it, which was the only unfortunate part about it. I probably cut like a good 2 inches off of it, honestly, just to make it get in there. It's in there, as you can see by the footage. And then after that, everything went pretty smooth. Put all the bolts back on. It is a little tight next to the coolant right here, but I mean, it is what it is, honestly. I'm not gonna complain too much.
Yeah, it's a little weird we had to cut it though, because like it's a Hellcat box and they're the same car, but it is what it is. You know, you just gotta cut a little bit off. But yeah.
Yeah, we'll do a little test for y'all. We got a napkin, so we're gonna turn it on, and we'll show y'all exactly how the air flows into the airbox.
Yeah. As you just saw, it was like bringing the paper in, you know.
And honestly, it sounds a little louder. Like
more open.
More open. Yeah, I don't want to say louder, but definitely a little more open, a little more flowy. So definitely the improvement we were looking for. On top of the other mods we're gonna eventually add.
Yes, stay tuned for those.
This one's just a good starter. So if this is the type of content you like, don't forget to subscribe, leave us a thumbs up.
And comment what you want to see next.
Exactly. We got a lot to do with this car. You see we got the lightweight seats, but eventually I want to take out the interior maybe. That could be a possibility. Do some more lightweight mods. Yeah. Maybe some carbon fiber pieces. They're super expensive, but
they're kind of worth it.
They're kind of worth it because they actually do save weight.
Yeah.
So, I mean, you know, there's definitely a lot of options we can take with this Challenger. But thank y'all so much for watching, and
we'll see you next time. Yes, bye.